Hello friends, welcome to another video, and in this video we will discuss one more advanced coding question of TCS NQT. So this is the question that was asked on day 6 and I have already uploaded advanced coding question up to day 5 and you will get the code in C++, Java, Python. Okay, so the link is given in the description box. Go through the playlist and there you will find questions from all the sections. Okay, so go there and try. So but for now we will try to solve this question and I will discuss the code in Python language, and I have made a separate video of same question with C++ and Java. So whichever language you are familiar with, go there and try it. So let us try to see the question, and do not worry after seeing the length of the question, although this is a bit lengthy, but we will discuss. Okay, so the question is like this. You can pause the video and try to read the question, and I will try to explain with the help of diagram. So the question is like this. There is a village A and village city. So there is city A and city B, and in both the cities there are one road. So this is the road of city A and this is the road, as you can see, for city B, and between these two roads there is a river. So whenever a people or whenever a person want to go from A to B, he has to travel through this road, and there is one outer ring road. So I have tried to make this but I think it is a bit not good, but anyway, so now people are trying to go from A to B through this road, but now what they want to build a bridge so that it will save their time. So they want to build a bridge on this road, so from here to here or from here to here, anyway they want to build a bridge, and for that there are some points given. So you can see this red dots. So these are some point given, and now these points are considered as hard. It means this part of the road is hard. Okay, so that it will wear the weight of the bridge. So in this way there will be some points given on road A also and some points given on road B also. And what you have to do, you have to find a point where the bridge will be constructed. Okay, so in this, so these are, see, they try to create some background, so no need to worry about this. So this was just a background, but if I say you that this question is just to find the median, then what will you think? Yes, so in this question they are just asking to find a median, and the points, as I told you, already given. So 1 2 3 points are given on A, and 1 2 3 4 5 points are given on road B. And what we have to do, we have to combine all this point and find the midpoint or the median. Okay, so this is the simple question they are asking. So same thing is here. Road A and B has some hard points which will be given as input. Bridge can be built on the hard point only. Combine all the hard point of A and B, sort them in ascending order, calculate the median. Bridge will be constructed from that middle point. Okay, so just we have to find a median, and we know that if I give you some numbers like 3 5 7 and so on, can you not find the median? So that we will discuss. And since we know that to find the median it has to be in ascending order, so that's why they are saying sort them in ascending order. Similarly, one more note is there, that when hard points are combined, the repeated position can be different on different road are dropped. It means we do not want the repetition, so all points should be unique. And finally we have to print the midpoint rounded up to 2 decimal place. So this is another thing that we will learn in this video. So many a time you will see that output you have to print up to certain decimal place. It will be given like 2 3, and you have to print in this way only. If you do not, then anyway, suppose if you have made everything correct, but if your output is different, it will be wrong. So this thing also we will learn how to print up to 2 decimal place or 3 or 4 anyway. Okay, so all these things we will see in the video. So I hope you understand the question. So this was all the background that people are and villages, all these are background. Simple thing was to combine this point, sort in ascending order, find the median, that's all, and print it up to 2 decimal place. Okay, now see the input, how it will be given. So the first line of input will be how many points are there or how many hard points are there on road A. So it is 3. So you can see same thing I have drawn here. So you can see 3 dots are here for village A or road A. And the next line of input will say how many point or how many hard point will be there on road B. So 5 is here. So you can see on road B there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hard points. And after this 2 line, so this is the number of points on road A and this is number of points on road B. After that, these 3 numbers, which is the number of points on road A, these 3 continuous number will be the points. So those points will be 2, 7, 4. So these points are just a difference from distance from this initial point. So this is 2, up to here it is 4, and up to here it is 7. So these are just point given. So 2, 4, 7 will be the points on road A. So these 3 completed. Now we have to take 5 more input. So after these 3, we have 5 more input, this one. So now these points will be on road B. So 1, 3, 4, 9 and 10. So this will be 1, this will be up to here will be 3, 5, 9, 10. So these are just points. Okay. So no need to worry. At last we have to find the median. But just I am explaining you. So 1, 3, 4, 9 and 10. Up to here 9, up to here 10. That's all. So these points will be given. I hope you understand the input. So in this way we have to take the input, and input will be in next line. Okay. And since after we got all the points, just find the median, and up to 2 decimal place, as you can see, we have printed. So this was the question. So now we will see how to find the median, and I hope all of you know it, but then also I will discuss. Okay. So the first thing we will do is this one, that we want everything to be unique. They are saying that repeated position should be removed. So the first thing in Python we know we will use set. So at first what I have done, I have taken one list. So let us go through the code also line by line. So this first line will be how many points on road A. Second line will be how many points on road B. So N1, N2. Now next N1 lines will give the points on road A. So just take the input one by one. So N1 times or N1 input will be given. So all these are points on road A. We will append this into a list. Similarly, we will take next N2 iteration and we'll take all the inputs of points on road B. All append all into length list L. And finally, that list L we have converted into set, because we want all the unique point. So let us understand. So these are just number of points, so forget this for now. And now we will take one L, which will be a list, and one by one we will put all the points. So it will be 2, 7, 4, 10, 3, 4. All point we will take, because just we have to find the median. 3, 4, 9, 1. Okay, so see what I was saying, that sometime you will get question a bit to make you confused. They will create a lots of background. Okay, do not worry about that. Just come to the point, solve it. So the point is numbers given, find the median. That's all. Nothing much. Okay, so these are the numbers given. 2, 7, 4, 10. How many are there? It should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 points given. Now why we are converting it into a set? Because we want every value to be unique. Because they are saying that remove the repeated one. Repeated position on different row are dropped. So once we will convert it into set here in set P and store it in a P. So let me store it in P. So what it will be? So is there any repetition? Yes, 4 is there. So it will be removed since it is a set. So 2, 7, 4, 10, 3, 9, 1. Now all are unique and we have to find the median of all this point. Okay, now how we will find the median of all the point? So first thing first, I have made this diagram. So find the median of n numbers. The prerequisite is numbers should be sorted in ascending order. So this is the first thing we have to do. It should be sorted. So the same thing we have done. So now we have converted into set. Now all values are unique. But again we will convert back into list. Can you say me why? Because list is more appropriate in order to get numbers by index and all that. So that's why we converted this into set. List back. We will see it afterward why we done that. So the same thing will be copied here. 2, 7, 4 and so on, whatever is there. Everything will be copied. Now finally we got all the numbers. Now we will, so see, this is the final list. So this set we have converted into list and finally we sort that list. Okay, and after sorting we found out the length of the list. So these thing we have done. Now we will find the median. So do same thing. So finally list will be sorted. So whatever value it will be. So let us see, first it will be 1 and then 2, then 3, then 4, then 7. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, then 9 and then 10. So I have sorted everything. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7. Okay, so we have sorted all the numbers. And now we have done everything. Now we have to find the median. So for finding the median, there are just one or two formulas which you have to remember. It is very simple one, not formula at all. Okay, so let us see. And I know almost all of you must have gone through it, but then also I will discuss. Okay, so prerequisite is completed. Now what we will do, now there are two cases to find the median. If number of elements are odd, there is one method. If number of elements are even, there is one more method. So at first let me tell you, median is just middle term. Okay, in simple word. So if number of elements are odd, so these are the number I have taken, 2, 5, 7, 9, 12. So if these are the number, can you tell me which is the middle number? Yeah, obvious. This is the middle number, 7. So this will be the median. So see, as simple as that. Median means just the middle one. So if it is odd, as you can see, there are 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 numbers are there. So obviously this is middle one. Because on left side of it 2 number and right side of it 2 number. So this is middle and this will be median. Okay. So for odd number it is very simple. But in how we will code this? So how we will get this index? So this is directly a formula n by 2. The moment you will do n by 2, you will get this index. Let me try. So n is 5. So 5 by 2 will be, what will be the value? So we have to do here integral division. Okay, we do not want the decimal part. So 5 by 2, if you know that 5 by 2 integral division is 2. Because in integral division, we just remove the decimal part. So actually it is 2.5, but remove the decimal part. So it will be 2. So the moment you do the integral division, we got the index 2, and index 2 is, this is index 0, this is 1, this is 2, and we got the value 7. So as simple as that. By doing n by 2, we will get the index, and then we will find the value at that index. Okay, and you can try for other cases also. N by 2 will be there, but make sure it should be integral, because if you do division of decimal, then it will be 2.5. So where you will find the index 2.5? There is no such index, so it should be integer. So I hope it is simple for odd number. Now see for even number. So if number of elements are even, so in this case there is problem. If I ask you, can you find a number which is middle one? So it's not possible. If you take 6, then this side 2, this side 3. If you take 7, then this side 3, this side 2. So there is not one middle. So in this case what we do, we take two middle. Both this number are taken, 6 also, 7 also. Now if you take this side 2, this side 2. Okay. So in case of even number, we have two middle. Now if you have two middle, what we do? We take their average. So 6 plus 7 by 2. At first we take both the number and then take average of it. Okay. So this was directly. Now how we will do in code? So the code is like this. At first we have to find out the index. So the index 1 will be, just do n by 2. Okay. Now the moment you do n by 2, so 6 by 2 will be 3. Okay, and 3 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, this index. Okay, so this number we got. Now we want this number. So this number will be just index 1 will be index minus 1. So if we have found this number, minus 1, just do this number. So both the index we got, index equals to n by 2 and index 1 equals to index minus 1. So once we got both the index, we will just get the value at that index and do the average, and you will get the median. So this is the two method. I hope I made you understand to find the median, and it could be used by you in future as well. So just check two things, even or odd, and do it. Okay, so as simple as that. Now if you see carefully, this if else we have done same thing. This if is for if the number of elements are odd, and this is for if number of elements are even. So we have found out the length. Now we have checked, okay, if length modulus 2 equals to 1, it means it is odd, and if it is odd number, index equals to n by 2, and we know that in Python this is integral division. Okay, the moment you got the index, we can directly get the value. Just put the index in the final list, and this answer we got. And now we have printed. Now this is the syntax to print decimal up to, or print answer up to 2 decimal place. Okay, dot 2f you can see up to 2 decimal place. Now this was for if number of elements are odd, and else is for if number of elements are even. So if they are even, we will get 2 index. So this is index and this is index 1. So the first index, as we have discussed, it will be n by 2, and next one will be index minus 1. So the first index will be n by 2, integral division, and index 1 will be index minus 1. We got 2 index. Now since we got both the index, just find the value. So it will be final list value of index and value of index 1, and take the average. So average is nothing, add both, divide by 2, put it in the answer, print it. Okay, and now this syntax is to print up to 2 decimal place. As you can see here, dot 2 is there, and if you are asked to print up to 3 decimal place, just replace this 2 with 3, and it will do this. Okay, we will see. So let me run a few test cases. I hope it is simple. So if let me run this, then we will discuss more. So try this one, which is the sample one. So 35274, 35274. and then 103491, 103491. Okay, you can see although our answer was 4, but we have printed up to 2 decimal place. .00 means the answer is asking that you have to put up to 2 decimal place. Even if you have no value, put 0, but there should be. Now if you do not do this, your answer will be wrong. Okay, so even if you have found out the answer that median value is 4, but you have to print in this way only. So this is the method to do that. Now there are some more methods. I have put it here. So one thing is round. Now many of you might be thinking that we can do round up to 2 place, but this is wrong. I will explain you. But these two methods you can use. So this we have already seen. There is one more method, dot format, and this will also print up to 2 decimal place. So everything you have to put as it is, just replace it with, suppose if you are asked 3 decimal place, so instead of 2, just put 3. But round will not work. Let me show you. Okay, you can see the value is 2.6. So, and after doing the round, we still got 2.6. But what we wanted, that after decimal, 2 places should be there. And there is only 1. But if you see here, okay, you can see, although the value is 2, we are getting 2.00. And if I do 2.6, you can see 2.60. Similarly, you can try here also, see. And if I do 2.6, okay, are you seeing it? Everywhere we are getting 2 decimal place. And if I make it extra than 2, okay, then also it will print up to 2 decimal place. Okay, so many a time you will get a question like this, where you have to print up to certain decimal place. And if you do wrong, all your answer will be wrong. So I hope it is clear, but do not use this round. It will not work. Okay, so this was all, and I hope it is clear. There was nothing much, but I can, what to say, if I try to revise it, so basically we were given some numbers and we had to find median, that's all. So this all from my side, and if you have any doubt in any part of the code, you can put it in the comment section. Okay, so that's all from my side, and this was the test case, no, 35274, yeah, yes. So this was the test case. So here also let me make it that is it working that method or not. So here number of digits are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and which is odd, so it will be 7 by 2, which is 3. So 0 1 2 3, and we will get answer as 4, because this is the middle one, and we got that also 4. So this is all from my side. Thank you guys, take care. Any doubt in any part of the code or anything else, put it in the comment section. Thank you.